Mixy, mixy,
Hey, MJ, what's this?
Banana. I want to eat it. Can I eat it? Can I eat it? I didn't have one for breakfast.
Hi, welcome back to another Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M, this is...
MJ, that one is behind the screen. It's invisible, Mama.
Yep, Mama's not here. And we have, for our featured ingredient, the...
Banana.
Now, I'm going to show you how to peel these real quick, because people tend to botch this. You don't want to take the end with the handle, it's going to break off. If you watch a monkey peel a banana, they actually pinch the end, and that opens right up. Boom, just like that.
I'm going to eat it up.
I'll bet you will. Let's get cooking. Alright gang, it's ingredients time. We're gonna need 6 bananas, ripe but not squishy, 2 cups of water, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's it. Just a few simple ingredients you probably already have lying around your house. The first step is we're going to add the water, the sugar, the salt, and the vanilla extract to a medium saucepan. Hopefully we won't spill as much water as MJ just did, dumping all of it in. She decided today that she needed to announce all of the ingredients, even though I had already told her we do this as a voiceover later. But you get to imagine her narrating and thinking that salt is actually sugar. Bummer, we already put sugar in. We don't need double sugar, little lady. All right, go ahead and mix that up. We're going to have it over medium-high heat. We want it to simmer, and once it is, we're going to go ahead and mix it. It should be syrupy. This takes 15 to 20 minutes. We had this on for about 20 minutes, and it should kind of be the consistency of maple syrup. Not the thick, high fructose corn syrup, but like actual normal syrup. Go ahead and add your bananas in once it is syrupy, and we're going to set a timer for 10 minutes, and we're going to let those hang out, soften up, and become delicious. After 10 minutes, they'll look something like this, a bubbly, delicious, sugary mess. Go ahead and mix that up, and then we are going to let them cool a little bit before we serve. Go ahead and put in a bowl, and it should look something like this. Let's see how it tastes. Alright, so they're all cooked, served up. If you're in the Philippines, a lot of times they'll put some shaved ice and evaporated milk on here. We don't do dairy in our family, so we'll just be eating them plain. So let's see how our sugar bananas turned out. What do you think? They're nice and soft.
Daddy gets food stuck in his mustache.
That happens. And they're nice and squishy, and it's a delicious flavor because who doesn't love brown sugar with a little bit of salt and vanilla? Signing off from another successful Cooking with Mr. M and MJ. I'm Mr. M. This is...
MJ and Mama's in the living room.
Mama's in the living room eating her bananas. If you like our channel, please feel free to subscribe, like, and share. We do appreciate it, and we look forward to seeing you again real soon. Because I'll be narrating. Salt.
Salt is going here.
And mix it.
Can I mix it? And mix it gently with the end of your spatuwawa.